I will finally redeem myself for what happened last time. I finally know how to use kage. And I will be telling everybody else how you use kage. Because a lot of people, they're like, oh, I don't know how to use kage. It's not a good PvP fruit. Well, in just a period of 5 hours, I have figured out how kage can become the best PvP fruit in GPO. Better than Mochi, better than Ito, better than, what is that trash? Oh, paw, better than any fruit. I will show you in this video how I said paw, kage is the best PvP fruit. Now, a lot of people might be like, what? What are you about to... What unholy combo are you about to pull off? Well, this man will be our first victim. Now, you see, PvP has a lot of ways that you can play, but this is the way I play. So, the way I play is like this. Alright, let me switch to one sword style. Because I'm maining one sword style. I would be using pole right now, but I tried out pole with it. It's pretty good, but I'm not about to the combos you use with pole are way too risky, so we're gonna have to use one sword style. Now, this is an easy 100 damage combo, 200 damage combo, right there. 61 damage. Now, look, if you look at that, his HP bar is completely gone. Really, when you use one sword style, 36 caliber Phoenix is your main damage deal. It's like your main one. If you miss it, you gotta wait for it to get off cooldown. It doesn't have a long cooldown. And people won't block that. People are like, oh, 61 damage, that's not a lot of damage. But then, when you realize, when they realize 61 damage is actually all their HP, they're dead. So you might be like, how did you just die right there? Whoa, because apparently this guy is not. Because apparently this guy must get comboed now. Uh-huh. Mans. Oh my gosh, there is no such thing as treating with respect. I say hi, you. He said I was trying to be nice. Toxic. You can never put your guard down on a mirror user. Especially when that mirror user is about to get slaughtered. Get caught in this. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! He's about to get 1-0! This is how you play kage. The kage absolute 1-0 combo. Oh, and if you want to be even more toxic to them, you can just use this! It was that simple. It took 2 minutes to beat a mirror user. 2 minutes. And all I did was use my R skill and my Z skill. And then use my 636 caliber Phoenix. Now I promise you this is definitely the best way. You might be like, oh, but what about that combo you just did? You're never, if you pull off that combo, they just don't know what they're doing. Because that is like a half HP combo guaranteed. I never have known somebody that will let you combo extend. I mean, sometimes the bat tornado combo extend off it, but you have to be on the ground. I tried to use it and then use the R or the X, the R or the Z skill, but yeah. So after you use the R or the Z skill, Simple. It's really simple to use kage. No skill required whatsoever. But I need some headphones because my other ones right there, down there, I think they work on certain occasions. They do. Certain occasions. Certain occasions. Okay. You see, I'm just loading this because I'm confident that my computer will load GPO for one video, so I don't have to pause them, so I don't have to be like, oh, I'm lagging, which almost every match I'm lagging. When I turn the recorder, oh, no, whoa, wait, I'm loading, bro, loading, can you let me load? What? Bro, what? Are you? Okay, what? Bro, is he okay, bro? Like, bro, I don't even know. What? Can you, like, let me? Okay, now, okay, that was just... I understand toxicity, but I have never met somebody that just doesn't let you load, bro. What? I just loaded in the game! What? What? I just loaded in! I have never met nobody that does this, bro. I have never met nobody. Just for doing this, bro, you wildin', bro. There is no way I'm about to let you win this now. There is no way you're about to win this now. You think you can beat me in a boxing match? Oh, you're bugging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh, I was just going to trying to get my one sword style out, but apparently this man just wants to take a combo to the face. And he's okay, first of all, that was the dumbest decision I've ever seen somebody do. I have never met nobody that pop Ice Age from like 90 meters away. I'm nowhere close to you. I'm nowhere close to you. You should not be popping Ice Age. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I land this? Of course I can. Or not. Sometimes that works, but you have to actually fight somebody that has no brain cells to actually have that to work. See, this dude just didn't let me load. So if I fight another person like this dude that just is rushing at me, tired of waiting for people to load today. So you're just gonna you're just gonna kill me. You're just gonna kill me straight up. You know, all I had to do was wait 20 seconds. 20 seconds. And then we could have been fat, and then we could have been good. Now you see, my win streak would have been kept up if he just didn't start that. Because you see, I was low HP, and I was able to get him to that HP, at that HP. I wasn't even max. He was... Oh! Who's that? That's a star creator. That is a star creator. Who is that? That was a star creator. I saw the star symbol. Oh, wow. A star creator was caught on camera. So, there you go, guys. I'm about to be famous because a star creator is affiliated with me. I'm sorry. I need to stop that. Really. As you see, that was the kage combo. Now you might be like, oh, you were using pole. Don't worry about it. You'll never get a call. You see how he was blocking after Bat Swarm? After Bat Swarm, you need to use a instant guard break. Like your R move, the black box, that's free damage. That's honestly free damage. If they block immediately after the Bat Swarm, which most of the people are, you get a free guard break. And more M1s. So, it would have been better if they had just took the M1s instead of taking a black box and another set of M1s. So, let's try to load at the next match. I'm gonna try to load at the start of the match, so we don't run into people like that. But it's alright. Okay. Oh yes. Do you want to know how many Zushi users I fought off camera? I was literally about to commit mass suicide. I was literally about to. Y'all don't know how many Zushi users I was fighting, and they just kept pulling me. They just kept pulling me just like this dude. But apparently this dude wants to die extremely bad. I remember when I was thinking about doing a video on Zushi Fight, but you might be like, why would you do a video on a flight? Now, Zushi Fight is a different flight because you can use other types of moves in the fight. Not like Suna Fight. Come on, come on. This is what I'm talking about, bro. Now you might be like, why are you blocking so much? Because he's a Zushi user, bro. I'm never, ever, ever gonna let this. Is he about to rage quit? No, 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 no! Oh my gosh, this is what I'm talking about. What? Since when was that cancelable? Okay. I'm blocking. I'm blocking. You can't do anything about this. What can you do about this? You're a Zushi user. You have no guard bricks beside the meteor. And I can just perfect block that. Oh, crap. Oh, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Meteor me? Try it. Try it. Try it. Go on. Go on. Try it. I dare you. I'm going to PB you so... Oh, no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Nah, no, 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 no. I said heck. I said heck. I'm dead. Well, I'm dead. There you go. There you go. You see that? You see, this is why I don't like fighting Zushi users. Because you just have to consistently hold block. And it's not fun for either one of us. Because I don't like holding block consistently. So, anybody that's watching, please tell me what you want me to do on Roblox. I will do it. Play any game. I will play any game as long as it doesn't get my account hacked. Literally, I will play any game. If it's something that costs Robux, I'll play it as soon as I'm able to buy it. Just any game, because I want to know. Like, I want people to say what you want, and then whatever is the most liked comment, I'll play that. Because, you know, I genuinely am tired of playing GPO. I was going to do an ABA video. I'm probably going to triple upload if I feel like it. But this weekend, I'm probably just going to be carrying people in dungeons, which that'll be a fun video to do. Probably going to be collabing with another YouTuber. He's more famous than me by like 7 subs. Let's try to use straight up pole. Oh, y'all thought I was actually about to use pole. Y'all wildin'. If you actually thought I was actually about to use pole, you bugging. Alright, we're ready. Yes, sir. This first hit decides the match. Sheesh. Oh, you're dead. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. I hit him with the black box still. Do you see where his HP went? Oh, yep. Oh, he's a kage user. Okay, this is a mirror match. This man will be using kage the wrong way. Now, you see he has Soul Cane, and he's about to lose. Now, you might be like, how can you confirm he's going to lose? Because he doesn't have everything flooded into kage. That's how I know he's not going to win. Because he's not a kage main. He does not main kage. He mains Soul Cane. That pathetic weapon that should not be a weapon. I definitely am not annoyed of fighting those people that use that weapon. I might be like, aren't you losing right now? No, I'm actually not losing. Holy, okay, that surprised me, okay? I will admit, that surprised me a lot. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna check that out, because you already know. You already know how I am. And you're dead.